My good people, as I dey talk to you so, make una dey watch Fusion Concept TV on YouTube. You go enjoy am o, and na free for you. All the social document, all the thing wey you go get to enjoy yourself, all the better entertainment thing wey you want, e dey for Fusion Concept TV. Na free o. Make una go there, subscribe, like am, and comment. Good for you.
I would like to say a very big thank you to Odunlade for this wonderful invitation. This is too good. We appreciate you. God bless you. So
this special award is going to an icon in the industry.
Yes.
Our father, our daddy, our producer. We have so many children in this house. All of us.
This award is recognition award for great impact in filmmaking.
He's an evergreen father.
I mean, he has done more than my father, my daddy, Adebayo.
Salami. Adebayo Salami.
Odunlade, Adekola, your children will celebrate you. From the bottom of my heart, I say it again, your children will celebrate you. For every soul that says amen, your children will celebrate you. I have asked myself that question severally. Can I ever be an achiever like Adebayo Salami? But it's a little bit difficult to answer, because I have asked him how did you do it, and his answer is does not know. So I believe it's God's grace. That grace shall live and continue to live with every one of us. Daddy, we, your biological children, celebrate you. All the children in the industry celebrate you. Adebayo, Salami, Bello, oh, in Kubai. Don't you want to enjoy in Kubai? And look, we're going to shout, you know, I tell you, Mama. Thank you so much. This is for you, Daddy. Thank you.
My good people, as I dey talk to you so, make una dey watch Fusion Concept TV on YouTube. You go enjoy am o, and na free for you. All the social document, all the thing wey you go get to enjoy yourself, all the better entertainment thing wey you want, e dey for Fusion Concept TV. Na free o. Make una go there, subscribe, like am and comment. Good for you.